The biggest mistake when it comes to pricing your programs is to follow the commonly taught phrase, charge what you're worth. With all due respect to previous teachers, that does not make sense. You could not be more worthy. There is no one who could pay a high enough price on your head. You are priceless. Your client is not paying for your pain and suffering. Your client is not paying because you suffered or spent years or spent a ton of money to come up with what you have learned. If you have self-worth issues, you deal with those on your own time. Your client is paying for results. Your client is paying to have you take them from where they are now and have you deliver excellent, transformative results for them to the absolute best of your ability. If you could offer what you do for them for free and it would work, you should do that, but it won't. And you will realize that in order to have your client put some skin in the game, to commit, to focus, to prioritize themselves, it's about your client, it's not about you, for them to prioritize themselves, to make this habit change, this life change, be a priority for a period of time so that they can go from where they've always been to where they want to go. That has to be a significant amount. If it's free, then anything in their life that is more than free takes priority. So doing carpool or tidying up some errands for someone else becomes more of a priority than themselves. So by putting that price point, if they pay $50,000 for your services, they're going to make it a priority. And I use that, huge number just to show you that if it was free, they may or may not even show up for the call. You're not going to price it free or at $50,000 almost certainly, but somewhere in there. So you want enough of a price so that it becomes a focus and a commitment. And then as you bring people in and as they get more results and as you have more clients, then you will continually, gradually increasing your price so that you can still deliver the quality that you want to deliver, that delivers those excellent results faster and easier. But you are already worth it. There is not a price, and your clients are not paying for you. They're not paying to chit chat. What they want is the results. So in pricing your program, come from love and focus on your client, and it's not really about you. Be good for you.